Let us now discuss what are irrational numbers. The definition is very simple. Numbers which are not rational numbers are called irrational numbers. Let us quickly recall the definition of rational numbers. So rational numbers are the numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So all the numbers which satisfies this definition, they are called rational numbers, otherwise they are irrational numbers. Let us write down some examples of irrational numbers. For example, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 and so on. The list is infinite. We have discussed in the previous video that between two given numbers, there are infinite rational numbers. Similarly, between two given numbers, there are infinite irrational numbers. The collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers is called as real numbers. It is denoted by capital letter R. Every real number has got unique representation on the number line, or we can say that every point on the number line represents a unique real number. That is why we say the number line as real number line. You already know how to represent a rational number on the number line. In case if you have forgotten, you can refer my video whose link I have given in the description box below. Let us now see how to locate an irrational number on the number line with the help of this question. So here locate root 2 on the number line. Root 2 is an irrational number. You have to locate root 2 on the number line. The procedure is very simple. For this we need a square whose side is 1 unit. So if this is 1 unit, this also is 1 unit. You can clearly see here that this angle is 90 degrees because every angle in a square is 90 degrees. So here triangle OAB is a right angle triangle. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem and find out OB. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, we have OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. So OB square is equal to OA is how much? 1. So this is 1 square. AB is also 1. So this is 1 square. So this is 1 plus 1 is 2. So you got OB square as 2. So you have to take square root on both the sides. So this side you will get OB and here you will have root 2. So you got how much is the length of root 2. What we will do here is we are going to place the square on the number line. So the number line is already drawn here and I have already placed the square here. This O is going to overlap with 0 and A is going to overlap with 1 because this is a square whose side is 1 unit and this length 0 to 1 is also 1 unit. So you have placed the square here and this OB is root 2. So what we are going to do is we are going to take our compasses and we'll put the compass needle here at point O and measure this length OB and we will make an arc on the number line. So this point over here represents root 2 on the number line. So here we have seen how to locate root 2. What about other irrational numbers? For example, root 3, root 5, root 7 or any irrational number in that case. So for this, what we have to do to locate irrational numbers, say root n, first you have to locate root n minus 1. So if you have to locate root 3, first you have to locate root 3 minus 1, that is root 2. So we have already located root 2. So here this is root 2. What we have done here, we have made a right angle triangle. So the same process we will repeat it and we will locate root 3. So this length is root 2. Here at point B, we will construct 90 degrees using protractor. So you can put your protractor like this and make an angle of 90 degrees. Let us do it. So let us make 90 degrees now. And this length has to be 1 unit. So this is 90 degrees here and this length is 1 unit. So this, if I mark this point as say S, then OS is root 3. Let us understand how this OS is root 3. This OS is root 3. So here again a right angle triangle is formed. OBS is a right angle triangle. And we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem again to find out how much is OS. So OS square is equal to OB square plus SB square. So OS square is equal to OB square plus SB square. And here OB is root 2. So OB square means root 2 square. SB is 1. So this is 1 square. To take the square of square root of 2, you will get 2 and 1 square is 1. So you got OS square as 3. So now you have to take square root on both the sides. So when you take square root on both the sides, you will get OS and that is root 3. So this length is root 3. So again same thing you will do is, what you will do, you will keep the compass needle here at point O, pencil tip here, measure this length and make an arc on the number line. So that point will come somewhere here. So that is root 3. You can repeat the similar process to locate root 5, root 7 and so on.